YouTube has become a major platform for content creators, with many wondering how much they can earn from their videos. A common question that arises is, how much does YouTube pay you for 1 million views? The answer isn't straightforward because earnings depend on several factors, including the type of content, audience demographics, ad engagement, and more. YouTube pays content creators primarily through ads shown on their videos. The amount you earn per ad view can vary significantly based on the type of ad and how it is displayed. Your audience's location greatly impacts your earnings. Advertisers are willing to pay more for views from certain countries, such as the United States, Canada, or the United Kingdom, where ad rates, CPMs, are higher. Higher engagement often leads to better ad placements and higher earnings with long or short videos. Let's calculate potential earnings from 1 million views, considering the factors mentioned above. For a channel with lower CPM rates, e.g., $2 CPM, 1 million views might generate around $2,000. A more average CPM, such as $5, would lead to earnings of about $5,000 for 1 million views. For channels with high CPMs, e.g., $10 CPM, 1 million views could result in earnings of $10,000 or more. While ad revenue is a significant income source, it's not the only way YouTubers can earn money. Brands often approach successful YouTubers for sponsorships, where they pay you to promote their products or services in your videos. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission on sales made through your referral links. Many YouTubers create and sell their own merchandise, such as t-shirts, mugs, or digital products. The earnings from 1 million YouTube views can range widely, from as little as $2,000 to over $10,000. Understanding these factors can help you optimize your content and increase your earnings.